Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's problem statement is count vowels. I hope you can know what is vowels. A, E, I, O, U is the vowels, totally 5 characters in the alphabetics. So here I already created one class, string operations. Inside the class I created one static method called count vowels. And here is the string parameter called sentence. Okay. So here what we are going to do is we check how many vowels are presented in the string sentence. So first we need to do uh, the string sentence is valid or not. So if sentence equal to null or sentence dot is blank, just print out invalid input and return. We don't want to do anything more. Okay, or else we just store the vowels into vowels as the set. Okay, set is the interface. Okay, character vowels equal to set dot of A, E, I, O, U. Okay, here first we check the sentence is valid or not. If it's not valid, we just print invalid input and return the program. Okay, or else we just store the vowels as a set. Okay, and also we need to store the count, right? Vowels count. So int vowels count equal to initially I initialize 0. Okay, now we just want to iterate the sentence. Each character, right? We need to check each character of this sentence. Uh, is the character is a vowel or not. If it is a vowel character, we need to increase the vowel count. So first we need to iterate the sentence, right? So int I equal to 0, I greater than sentence dot length and I increment. Okay, yeah, the for loop is iterate the sentence by each character. So if sentence dot, we need to convert, we don't know the sentence having the uppercase or lowercase. So first we need to convert the each character into the lowercase. So dot to lowercase dot charAt I. Okay. Okay. Though so this will get the first character, right? Here we just do get the sentence, convert it to the lower case, and getting the first character. CharAt I is 0. First of all, it is I is 0. So charAt of 0 is first character in the sentence. So we getting in this line is getting the first character in the sentence. So now we need to check if is the character is the vowel or not. We already stored the vowels into the set. We just check vowels dot contains this character. Okay, so it will check each character is presented in the set. Okay, if it is present, we just increase the vowel count plus equal to 1. Okay, it will increase the vowel count each time it matches the vowels. Okay, that's it. So here we just print S out. I'm using map.off vowels, vowel count. That's it. So we just run the program. We call the class in the main. So string operation. We don't want to create the object because here we just created the static method. So we just call the method using the class name. And here I need to pass the string, right? Hello world. So here just see E is a vowel, O is vowel 2, and again O is presented. So totally 3 vowels, right? Just check it. I run the program. It's running and okay. Here I hope you can see this output vowel equal to 3. And or else I give the special characters, dollar symbol and 0, 9 digits. We just count the vowels only, so it will not consider the other characters, right? Still, its printed vowels is 3. Right, it's right. Okay. Okay, here we can add extra 1 point. We can count the consonants. So how can we write that? So here we can say else we have a character class dot is alphabetic. We just sentence dot lowercase to lowercase dot charAt of I. If it is an alphabet, we also here add the consonant count. Initially it is 0. So if it is find any other alphabetic, just increase the consonant plus 1. Here and add consonant count. We just check it. Vowels is 3, consonant is 7. That's it.